Hello everyone, let's talk about this asset. It's player coins, it's a player cryptocurrency, and its current price is 0.02 US dollar, which is very cheap. Um, so let's take a look at the graph. So it's currently on downtrend. It's 0.16 today, and 5 days, and it's 5 days low, and it's a month low by a lot of percent, from 0.19 to 0.7, around 20%. Um, yeah, it's still on 6 months low. Year to date, it's low. 1 year is low, and 5 years. And max is low because it's now more than 5 years. It was born on 2023 of January. So what is Player? Player is an EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain designed to bring smart contract functionality and decentralized Oracle to networks that don't have native support to them, like Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and more. So it's a state connector. It has a player time series Oracle. It supports F assets like XRP, and you can make use of it as a collateral. And it aims to unlock vast value trapped in non-smart collateral ecosystem. It's just for paying transaction fees like gas in your uh, Bitcoin. You can buy it and stake it in the. You can secure the network. It's used as a collateral for minting F assets. It can be used as governance voting. So the more player you have, you can vote on decisions in um, this several crypto market. And then Reddit. Oh, it's for governance voting in corporations. Okay. So it has 100 billion total supply, 64.7 billion circulating, 5% annual inflation cap, and inflation and staking reward are adjustable via governance, which is very high. It's 30 to 14%. So initial distribution 4.28 billion APR, and remaining tokens are to be released in the next few years. I think that's why it's going down, because they are releasing more asset. Um, okay, so what is interesting about Player is currently it's very low right now, and if we look at the chart, um, it's good to invest on it right now. And yeah, again, it's very low, so we can buy it. But the benefit of Player is that when you buy Player and stake it, the the APR is very high. That's where the edge is. You have an APR of 30 to 40%, which can um, cover the price of this asset going down. So that's the highest on December 2024, which is that was the election time in the US. And yeah, so currently it's low, and then you can buy it, and then the APR is very high. So the combination of that is make sure Kryptonair is very soon. Hopefully, let me show you how it looks like in. I'll send a link for. I have a referral link for this chain below. So if you might be interested, you can make use of my referral, so I can make more money and I can make more videos for you and give you some tips on where to trade. So this is player. If you stake it, it will give you 30 to 40%, depending on what was voted. But that's a low cap of 30 and a high uh, limit of 40%. So that's the APR. Okay, so I have 54.90 APR at stake. So stake meaning we were going to deposit the player into the chain, and the advantage is the holding period for this is 0 days, which means I will deposit player if it stays there for 30 days, and 30 days pass, I have, oh no, and it stays there for 1 year, I have a 30 to 40% interest, but weekly I'll be receiving that interest. And okay, sorry, so you deposit, you receive an interest every 7 days, that's worth of 30 to 40% APRs. With the actual interest per week is that you divide 30% by 52 weeks, that's your weekly interest. So you will be receiving weekly interest for your player investment. What else? Another advantage is not, it's not bound, so I can deposit and stake player, and then if I want to withdraw tomorrow and then sell it because the price kicks up, then I can do that because my holding time is 0 days. So that's that make it, the unbundling period is 0 days, unlike the rest of this. Okay, so that's where the advantage of player is. The disadvantage is that it's very new and it's unstable, but its interest, which is 32% APR, can cover that risk. Okay, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. I hope I can make more videos like this. I've been hacked and I'm back and I've secured my account. Again, reminder to have your antivirus on your PC, on your cell phone. If you're using an OTP, do not connect it to the internet. Disconnect it to the internet. Put in a phone that doesn't have internet, so that it will be very difficult for the hacker to hack. And you can make sure or make use of YubiKey, physical security, so they have to press it before you can trade. So thank you for watching. That's all for now, and I'll see you in a short while, hopefully. And thank you again. Bye for now.